Saset, SMP 1, Satu Sedan. Today, we want to introduce you our newest invention. Can you guess what it is? Yes, as you know from the title, our newest invention is brownies clapper that is made specifically with coconut pop flour and as an alternative snack for kids with autism.
Without any further ado, let's take a look at the process!
Did you know that the prevalence of children with autism stands to increase over the years? And one of the recommended diet therapies for autistic children is a gluten and casein-free diet because they have a condition called leaky gut. On the other side, coconut pulp waste can cause a very serious environmental problem. However, the leftover coconut pulp waste still have high dietary fiber and it is gluten-free. We have made a great innovation that have a big impact on society and change the perspective on autism's community.
So, this is the first step of making brownies clapper, which is making the coconut pulp flour from the coconut pulp waste.
First, we wash the coconut pulp with fresh water. Second, we put the clean coconut pulp into the food dryer for 12 hours in 60 Celsius degree. Lastly, to finish all the steps, we put the clean coconut pulp flour into the food grinder until they have the right consistency of flour. And now we have coconut flour. In this experiment, we use two methods. The first method is baked brownies, and the second is steamed brownies. The next thing that we do is we're going to measure all of the ingredients that we use. Second, we mix all the ingredients well. Lastly, to finish everything, we divided the batter into 6 cups. 3 cups for the steam method and the other 3 for bake method. The first method is steamed brownies, which will be cooked for 30 minutes. The second method is using oven, which will be cooked in 180 Celsius degree and at the same amount of time, which is 30 minutes.
This is the result of steamed brownies and baked brownies. After this, we will do people acceptance test. Consumer acceptance. 20 families informed for consumer acceptance staff. The families have been prepared sensory instruction testing, which are texture, color, and flavor, and general information about the product.
Casein test. Crush a little bit of brownies, then mix with some water. Then add 5 drops of azelaic acid and then observe whether clumps formed or not. And this is the result.
Gluten test sent to Thermal Laboratory, Jakarta.
Proximate analysis sent to Brawijaya University.
Healthy food analysis test sent to Public Health Laboratory for microbiological and chemical tests.
We successfully made coconut pulp flour from coconut pulp waste using pentahydrogen. Processing the coconut pulp waste into flour substantially reduces waste generation through prevention, reduction, recycle, and reuse.
The data, we found significant differences result between two methods, which are steam and bake method. Overall, the panelists state that our steamed brownies are more delicious than baked brownies. Gluten test. The brownies sent to Thermalindo Laboratory, Jakarta for detection gluten. The laboratory results show negative result for gluten or gluten-free.
Based on casein test result, it was found that the brownie solution did not come after adding acetic acid. So, it can be concluded that the experimental brownies do not contain casein or casein-free.
Based on the data, we can observe that Clever brownies has higher protein than commercial brownies, less fat and less sugar than commercial brownies. Clever brownies has ash and moisture higher than commercial brownies, but still meets SNI standard, which was a good result. And both of food safety analysis, microbiology, and chemicals shows a very excellent result. All the attributes to Clever brownies meets SNI standard, so it can be concluded that Clever brownies safe to be consumed by autism children.
A discussion between the research and method, we can draw a conclusion downwards. Drying method using formaldehyde successfully converted coconut pulp waste into coconut pulp flour. Second, brownies clapper doesn't have casein and gluten, so this can be used for people who have autism. And in another case, we can use it to people who have allergies to gluten and casein. Third, steamed brownies clapper are a lot more delicious rather than the big one. How can we know this? Because we used the Heroney scale and tested on 20 people. And mostly they said that the steamed one has softer texture rather than the baked brownies. Fourth, we created these brownies because we want to prevent hyperactivity that was caused by the consumption of the gluten and casein. How can this happen? Because people that has autism had a condition called leaky gut syndrome.
Last is the recommendation. For further research, it is necessary to find out clinical impact of Clever brownies to reduce autistic behavior.
So, that's all for today.
See you on the next competition!
Pensaset!
Independent!
Pensaset!
Independent!
Pensaset!
Amazing!